Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take our first assessment. It's been almost an hour, actually, since we loaded this up. We're going to assess for content of pyruvate, and in order to do so, we're going to use a 5-fold dilution, meaning 4 parts water, 1 part actually liqueur or solution from which we're drawing from. I already weighed out, or measured out, I should say, 4 mils of water into this graduated cylinder. I actually used this pipette, and I've already had it set to 1 mil. So we're actually gonna take sample number 4. In the meantime, you guys can probably see how the balloons are increasing due to the fermentation. I'm just gonna put that in there, withdraw some fluid, as you see, in the pipette. Just gonna put this in the cup. And then we're going to add the water. We do this dilution because some tests are very sensitive to pH of an environment or even the concentration of other things. So we took this grape juice, we're fermenting it with the fast-acting yeast. We just did this dilution, and now I have a test right here in which I could take one of these test strips and we can immerse it in this diluted solution. Hold that in there for a couple seconds. Make sure it's good and gone in terms of contact. And then we just need to let it sit. So I'm gonna let this sit and we'll come back and we'll figure out exactly, the likelihood of having any pyruvate.